What if I told you that one of the most influential visions of cyberspace came from a man who had never touched a computer? This is 7 Days of Cyberpunk, Day 2, The Typewriter Prophet. In 1982, William Gibson published a short story called Burning Chrome. It's the first time the word cyberspace ever appeared in print. It also contains one of the most important ideas in the entire subgenre. The street finds its own uses for things. That's the thesis statement of cyberpunk. Corporations build things, but the street repurposes them. That tension between the systems and the people who find the cracks in them is the engine of every cyberpunk story. 2 years later, in 1984, Gibson published Neuromancer. He turned cyberspace into a place, made hackers cowboys, and morphed corporations into techno-feudal mini-states. And data became the most valuable substance on Earth. It won the Hugo, the Nebula, and the Philip K. Dick Award, the science fiction Triple Crown. And what exactly did Gibson write this dystopian, high-tech, low-life fever dream on? Portable typewriter from 1927. That's because Gibson didn't know how computers worked. He understood that technology and gadgets aren't what shaped the future. He watched kids in arcades and focused not on the games they were playing, what the games did to them. They became focused, almost losing themselves to a place that wasn't there, a digital realm inside the game. That's cyberspace. Gibson understood the future wasn't going to be about faster chips or better graphics. It's about where money, power, and identity would live once they didn't need physical space anymore. Gibson couldn't fact-check his intuitions against technical reality because he didn't know what was plausible. Instead, he wrote based on feeling and intuition, not tech specs. That's why Neuromancer resonates, even when the tech is all wrong, because the themes of alienation, struggle, and the need for rebellion against the crushing gears of the machine stay with us no matter what the gadgets look like. This instinct that eventually will get lost inside a system designed to extract value from us, I'd say nailed that one. Tomorrow, how Ridley Scott built the visual grammar of a genre on top of the paranoid visions of Philip K. Dick.